Introducing the powerful and luxurious 2022 Skoda Octavia RS 2.0 TDI with 200 horsepower. This sleek black saloon is packed with top-of-the-line features such as Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and advanced safety systems like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and below-seat storage for added convenience. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out on this exceptional ride. Contact us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.